Good afternoon. Alas 4:30 na. And nagre-ready ako kasi aalis kami ni Mr. Pupunta kaming city. Wala po si Ana. Doon sa kanyang lulutulo. And it's August 2. It's August 2 toch, Dodong? It's August 2. So 2nd of August, yeah. So nakabalik na kami sa aming bakasyon. Supposedly 3 weeks yung bakasyon namin. Kaso 2 weeks wala. Kaso nagkasakit si Ana doon. Super irritable yung anak ko. So 6 days lang kami. Umuwi na kami. Sabi ko sa kanila, magstay sila doon. Ito pala yung gamit ko. Ano lang to eh. Super stay na. Tagal naman to. Super stay matte ink sa Maybelline. 65. Ito. 65 yung number niya. Sabi ko sa kanila, magstay na lang sila. Ihatid lang kami dito ba. Mga 1 hour and 30 minutes kasi yung drive. Ganun. So, ayaw na itong isa magpaiwan. Sabi niya, hindi daw bakasyon pag wala kami. Okay lang naman. Sabi ko, kaya ko namang alagaan si Ana mag-isa ba. Kasi mas komportable pag nakakatulog ng maayos yung bata. Kasi doon, nasa camper kami. Para akong buang sa salita. Ito. Dasa ka ang kalay na ta. So, yeah. Nag-gel naman.
Yeah, it's a little bit faster than you, eh?
Huh?
It's a little bit faster than you. Like gel and I'm ready.
So, because you're not a woman. If you're a woman, you need to do many things to prepare. Don't remind me about this one, B. I need to fill out the vaccination book. Ito yung vaccination book namin, ito. Dito. So, I need to fill this out. I'll give this to the staff there when I get my second dose sa aking vaccine. And yeah. Yeah, yung information dito, lalagay dito. Kung kailan, anong klaseng vaccine. And then, I still have our passports to dong. Kasi nung umalis kami, pumunta kami. We went to Germany and Belgium. So, I thought, just in case they look for our identification. So, yeah. So, yan lang. Ganahan. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong kulay ng, lipstick. Ayoko nung red. May mga red akong lipstick dito. Bigay ng friend ko si Sheila. Mga 3 lipstick yata na red. Pero ayoko talaga sa red. Sabi niya, nagva-vlog ka kasi so kailangan ka mag-lipstick ng red daw. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong kulay ba? Mga nude na kulay. Ganyan. Hindi masyadong matingkad or bright yung colors. Like this one. I really like this one. Ito, pero wala na to. Ubos na to eh. Vietnam pa ako nito. Last year pa to. So, yeah. I'll get another one tomorrow because I'll go somewhere with my mother-in-law tomorrow para mag-shopping. So, yeah. Nakabalik na kami. Our vacation was cut short because Anna got sick. So, yeah. We're back. But Ruth has 2 more weeks holiday from work or vacation from work. So, what we're gonna do, we'll just visit places lang, yung mga day trips lang ba with Anna or sometimes without Anna. So, I think Wednesday, because Monday today. So, Wednesday we'll go somewhere like mid sa middle ng Netherlands. So, yeah, I'll try to vlog then. So, yeah, alis kami, pupunta kaming Eindhoven, ang city kung nasaan yung yung school ko. And then magdi-dinner kami doon. Are we going to an Asian shop?
They have Asia Oriental there.
No, Amazing Oriental?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Den Bosch, yeah.
And Eindhoven too.
Oh, where are we going? Eindhoven or Den Bosch?
Eindhoven.
Okay. Yeah, because you said earlier that there's an Asian restaurant in Den Bosch. Okay. So we're going to. We're going to show them your hair, Dodong.
Show them your hair? Why?
Sheila did his hair, but now it's a little bit long.
Yeah, but that's 2 weeks.
Si Rod po ay nagbibinata. Nag-ano siya?
2 weeks ago.
Nagbibinata si Rod. May ano siya, may mga pimples siya. Nagbibinata. Hindi, ako din naman. May ano ako dito, mga bago kasi I was not able to sleep well the past few days because medyo irritable yung anak ko. Gumigising siya. And then, she's trying to get back to her rhythm as well. So, yeah. Hopefully, she's okay. And it's her first time to sleep by Oma and Opa. By or with Oma and Opa.
Oh, not the first time?
No, first time since we got back from the vacation. So, medyo nag-iba yung anak ko. Medyo irritable siya. I don't know. Maybe it's still because of the vaccination. I hope maging okay. So anyways, medyo tabi na pud kog maayo ani. So we will see you on the road or I'll try to vlog when we get there. Hopefully weather's nice, still nice when we get there. It's a little bit warm already.
Yeah, it's good.
Weather's okay today. So yeah. See you there. Papakita ako sa inyo. Ano, lower na yung aming TV. Ito. So hindi na masyado tumitingala sana. And may ano kami, bagong frame dito. Ang cute-cute. Yan. Ito sa Vietnam pa kami nito. Ito din. First trip namin ni Ruth. Si Anna. Cute. First birthday ni Anna. So we're already in Eindhoven. And may ano dito, may maliit na parang ano ba? Parang perya. Yan.
Hilaria.
Peria. It says Park
Park
Hilaria.
Hilaria, yeah.
Park Hilaria. Oh, may nakaabitin dyan kanina. Oh, I can't really see it properly.
No, but they close the road. Normally this is the road to the center.
So, punta kaming center.
No, where it exactly is, but I will look it up.
We're close to Ruth's favorite stadium. PSV Stadium.
Philips Stadion.
Philips Stadium. Yan. Ano, biggest rival ng Ajax.
Yeah.
Now.
Sportive, yeah, fine.
So, nasa isang Asian shop kami dito sa Eindhoven. Ano, Amazing Oriental lang din. Same doon sa Den Bosch po. Nadong. Oh no, we already have book poster. If mine's broken, I'll get another one. So, kuha ako ng mamasitas. Yung pang ano, eto, chop suey. Pansit canary. Ito lang. May ano sila, oh. Mamasitas and I have this one. Spaghetti sauce. Dutch lady. May Ovaltine din dito, tsaka ano, Milo. So, ito lang yung akin. Dumplings, egg tofu, tas masitas. Pero mas maraming kinuha si Rod kaysa sa akin.
For young people, see? Dodong.
Ha?
Dodong. For dodong.
For young people daw, dodong. Dong. So, pa-counter na kami. Ready na si Rod. Go. Katsubushi. So, paalis na kami. Ayan na yung store dyan. I like it more than the one in Den Bosch because it's much more spacious. And then, yung restaurant nila, pwede kang kumain sa loob ba? Unlike in Den Bosch, yung ano nila, yung take away lang siya ba? Or if you can eat there, I think, no?
In the Bosch, yeah.
Yeah, but you have
takeaway.
like you stand, you just stand.
Yeah, but it's more takeaway.
I like this one more. But then Den Bosch is much closer to our place. So yeah. So papunta na kami sa Asian restaurant. I'm not sure yet.
Noodle bar.
Noodle bar kasi si Ruth yung na pumili pa. Char. Medyo quiet for a Monday afternoon. it's not so busy.
No,
Oh, because we're not in the center.
Yeah, close to it. Close to the center. But not.
Is the noodle bar close to the center?
Yeah.
Or in the center?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think close to the center.
Let up.
Yeah.
Watch out. Watch out, Dodo?
Yeah, watch
or like
out.
be careful like
If you
that.
go left, there's still
Let
people
up.
on foot
So
and
it
people
means
on
watch out.
bicycle.
Yeah. We're back to the stadium entrance. PSV.
Yeah.
Philips Stadion.
Stadion.
Yeah. Shop po siya, no? Shop. So, nakalabas na kami sa parking and papunta na kami sa restaurant. Yeah. So, di kami masyadong pumupunta dito sa Eindhoven kasi medyo malayo sa amin ba. Mas malayo sa amin compared sa Den Bosch. So, yeah, punta kami sa isang noodle bar. Para siyang Vietnamese na Japanese as well. Sadly, walang Filipino. Supposedly, we were gonna go to a Filipino restaurant, but then it's closed for today.
Yeah, for Monday.
Monday and Sunday, they're closed. So, yeah. Next time na lang. Nice car dodong. Normal thing dito sa Netherlands, ang daming bike. Yan. Parang ako lang ang hindi marunong magbike. You understand, Bang?
Something with bikes.
Yeah. I said, I think I'm the only one who doesn't know how to ride a bike.
Yeah, one of the few ones, yeah.
Yeah. And another thing, here in the Netherlands, you can always smell cannabis. I always smell cannabis, like,
That's true.
yeah, especially if nasa city kami, palagi akong nakakaano ng marijuana, guys. It's legal here?
Yeah. You can smoke it.
You can smoke, but then you have to go to a cafe, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to smoke it like in public?
At home or there?
Ah, okay. So at home pala and or
But the one of the most difficult rules, like you can smoke it at home
yeah.
and there, but you're not allowed to bring it home. But you can smoke it home.
Basta siya na may
You
alam
understand
niya.
it?
Ne.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think we have to go to here.
Here? So yeah, he was saying
We have to go here.
hindi na alam ni Ruth kung nasaan kami. So anyway, naglalakad pa rin kami, hinahanap yung siya.
Yeah. Not allowed to go. See, not allowed to go in. Sorry.
City restaurant. Labas ulit kami.
Is your plus? Then we should be really close. That's Sakani, Suki and Grill. That's different one. But
Let's close. Cross na sana kami. Andito lang naman pala, oh. Doon kami galing. Andito lang naman pala. Andito na kami. Looks good. Let's see.
black Ronald soup.
What do you want? Looks good. So, ano yung order ko? Yung classic na pork noodles nila, and then Ruth got the fried noodles,
Teriyaki.
and then teriyaki?
Teriyaki.
The buns, you mean? Oh,
Chicken teriyaki.
chicken teriyaki, and we have teriyaki dumplings as well. May pa-flower pa dudong.
That one. Yeah.
I think ako lang yung Asian na dito sa loob. Ito na yung teriyaki dumplings namin. I hope it's good. Try na daw. Try. Just try.
I'm already trying with thing.
Chopsticks. Hindi magaling mag-chopsticks yun, but he's trying. Uy. Oh. spicy, okay. Next.
Good crispy,
Yeah.
not spicy at all.
Very
It's
good.
like sweet sauce.
Are you gonna be Mark Wing's rival? Ako din, itatry ko din. Marunong po akong mag-chopsticks kasi I love Japanese food and Korean food. Of course, in Vietnam, nag-chopstick naman kami doon palagi.
Good, huh?
That's pork soup. Here you go. Dankjewel.
It's really big one.
Ito na yung pork noodles. Anak ko ba po na luwaga?
It's really big.
Mura mo siyang luwag. With sesame seeds too. Ito yung order ni Ruth, guys. Fried noodles.
People finish work and then they
Yeah.
go.
So, tapos na ang noodles ko, guys. Naubos na ang noodles, but then, yung sabaw, grabe pa, ang daming sabaw. Yan pa yung sabaw. Then si Ruth, ayan na.
I finished
Ayan
already.
niya, naubos kasi buto po siya. So, sinusulit na namin to, no? Kasi si Ana, minsan lang wala si Ana. So, yung mama at papa niya yung nagbabantay sa bata and then nag-offer sila na doon na daw patulugin ang bata. So time kami ba? Char. So, after dito, siguro maglalakad-lakad kami and then uwi na. Then, manunood ng movie sa bahay, ganyan. Do you recommend the restaurant?
Yeah. But then my menu, mine is good. Yours is not myself. This
Siya,
was
hindi siya
really
mahilig
good.
masyado sa noodles na ganitong noodles.
Teriyaki,
Pero
yeah.
he likes
Chicken teriyaki.
noodles. Para siyang yakisoba. Teriyaki flavor. Chicken teriyaki. Miss Ruth, mag-ice cream na po siya.
Met aardbei.
Always add by.
Aardbei altijd, ja. Kijk. En, ja, dankjewel. Nee, dat was hij.
So, pa sana ako, mag-order ako ng bubble tea. Taro na bubble tea. But, medyo busog na ako ba. So, good.
En een strawberry.
Pero, feeling ko wala nang...
Forest fruit en strawberry.
Ang ba? Feeling ko wala nang space yung chan ko para sa bubble tea. Kasi nakaka-bloat sa akin yung bubble tea. So yeah, dito lang kami, lakad-lakad lang kami dito sa sa center. Dito sa center and then papunta na, babalik na kaming parking lot. Ayun. Ang nice na KFC na na to. Hindi siya ba old building. But it's nice now, you know. It's not really busy today for a Monday. So sabi ko kay Ruth kanina, hindi crowded kasi last time we came here with Anna, it was really crowded. Because at that time, the restaurants, the shops reopened. So after the long lockdown, iba kasi yung lockdown ng Netherlands compared to the lockdowns in Asia.
No, different.
Here, lockdown. Yeah, during the lockdown, we could still go out, like go to the park, go for a walk.
Curfew.
Oh, there's curfew, but yeah, it
Till 10
only
o'clock.
lasted for a short time. I don't know, 2 months. Malapit tayo sa sa station. Yeah.
No, that's
This one looks really nice. America today. Ang ganda. Shop pala, no? So, babalik na kami sa parking, no? We're gonna close the vlog, Dodong.
It's a good one. Was a good evening, eh?
Yeah, we had a nice Asian dinner, and then we also went to the Asian shop.
Asian dinner with Italian ice cream.
But only he has Italian ice cream now. So yeah, yun lang muna yung vlog natin today. We're back from our holiday that was cut short. Supposedly 2 weeks away, but then it became 6 days. Yeah, but we will just visit some places. They do day trips, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we still have like 2 weeks.
Tomorrow Germany for you.
Yeah,
Oma.
I'll go to Germany with Oma, with Ruth's mama. So yeah, yun lang yung vlog natin. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And salamat sa mga bagong subscribers natin. Ingat kayo lagi. Stay safe kayo. See you na naman sa susunod nating vlogs. Babush, mush, mush!
Abush.
Ang ganda nung ano nila, yung waiting ano nila, shed. Yung bus stop. May mga plants. Ayan. So nice. Diba? Diba ang ganda?